Hello students, today's topic is in bacteriology section and this is Vibrio cholerae and Campylobacter. Learning objectives. In this topic it describes morphology and antigens of this Vibrio cholerae and Campylobacter, pathogenesis and clinical features, then appropriate lab diagnosis and interpretation of the result, describe prevention and treatment. So we will see first Vibrio cholerae. General properties of Vibrio: they are curved gram-negative bacilli, actively motile by having a single polar flagellum. They are fermentative, strongly aerobic, oxidase positive, non-sporing and non-capsulated, growth stimulated by salt, NaCl, ubiquitously found worldwide in marine environments, surface water, river and sewage. Classifications. First we will see the classification based on salt requirement of Vibrio cholerae. They are typed into the non-halophilic Vibrios and halophilic Vibrios. Non-halophilics, they grows without salt. 1% salt is optimum. They cannot grow at higher concentrations. And examples are Vibrio cholerae and Mimicus. Halophilic Vibrios, they cannot grow in absence of salt. Grow at higher salt concentration, that is 7 to 10%. Example, Vibrio parahemolyticus, alginolyticus and wallificus. Now second classification is Haber's classifications. It was classified into the 1934. 8 groups based on the fermentation of 3 sugars. They are the mannose, arabinose and sucrose. And Vibrio cholerae was placed in a group 1. Now most commonly used classifications are Gardner and Venkatraman classifications. It is classified into groups, subgroups, then biotypes, serotypes. Groups are Vibrio cholerae and other species. Then Vibrio cholerae is classified into the subgroup or serogroup or serover, that is O1 139, non-O1 /139 and O22 greater than O200. Then O1 is classified into the biotypes, that is classical and alter. They are classified into the serotypes. They are Ogawa, Inoba and Hikosoma. O1 serogroup, agglutinated by O1 antisera, are responsible for all the pandemics and most of the epidemics of cholera are by this one O1 serogroups. Then non-agglutinable Vibrios, they are not agglutinated by O1 antisera, initially thought to be non-pathogenic. So named as a non-cholero-Vibrios, that is NCV. O139 serogroup has caused several epidemics and outbreaks in coastal India and Bangladesh. Non-O1 or O139 serogroups, that is occasionally sporadic outbreaks of diarrhea and extraintestinal manifestations, but never epidemics cholera. Now what is the difference between classical biotypes and alter biotypes? That is according to the beta hemolysis on sheep blood agar, it is positive in alter biotypes. Cheek erythrocyte agglutination, that is positive in alter biotypes. Polymyxin B is sensitive in classical biotypes. Group 4 phase susceptibility testing is susceptible in classical biotypes. Alter phase 5 susceptibility is susceptible in alter biotypes. Then VP test, that is positive in altered biotypes. CAM test is positive in altered biotypes. Cholera toxin gene in classical biotype is CTX1 and altered biotypes is CTX2. Serotype of cholera O1, Ogawa antigen type AB, Inaba antigen type AC, Hikojima types are A, B, C. Ogawa, most common serotypes, isolated followed by Inaba. During epidemics, shifting between serotypes can take place. Hikojima, unstable transitional state. Both Inaba and Ogawa are expressed. Now, what is the pathogenesis of cholera? Transmission by ingestion of food, contaminated food and water. Infective dose depends acid labile and high infectivity dose. Factors promoting transmission, hypochlorhydria. Crossing of protective layer of mucus is active motility, secreting mucinase and other proteolytic enzymes, and hemagglutinin protease, cholera lactin. Adhesion and colonizations facilitated by special type 4 Fimbria called toxin corrugulated pilus. Mechanism of action of cholera toxins as in described figure. It is a fragment B and fragment A. Fragment B binds to the GM1 ganglioside receptor. Then fragment A classified into the A1 and A2. A1 is the active fragment and fragment A2 tethering A and B subunit together. A1 adenylate cyclase cause cyclic AMP, goes to the intestinal space and blood vessels. Then increase in cyclic AMP, accumulation of sodium chloride in the interstitial lumen. Water moves passively into the bowel lumen and accumulation of isotonic fluid then cause watery diarrhea. Loss of fluid and electrolytes, shocks due to profound dehydration and acidosis due to the loss of bicarbonate. Cholera gene for cholera toxin, pathogenicity island. Then TOXR gene regulate the expression of CT, TCP and other virulence factor. Other virulence factors are zona occludens toxins, accessory cholera enterotoxins, virocell toxins, accessory colonization factors, cedar of bacterial enterotoxins, that is lipopolysaccharide. Clinical manifestation of cholera. Asymptomatic infection in 75% of cases. Mild diarrhea or cholera, that is 20% of cases. Sudden onset of explosive and life-threatening diarrhea, that is called as a cholera gravis of 5%, and incubation period is 24 to 48 hours. Watery diarrhea, sudden onset of painless watery diarrhea and rice watery stool, watery with mucus flecks and inoffensive odor. Vomiting may be present but fever is usually absent. These are the clinical manifestation of cholera. Complication, body weight loss by percentage and symptoms, less than 5%, increased thirst, 5 to 10%, postural hypotensions, weakness, tachycardia, decreased skin tugger. At greater than 10%, renal failure occur and fluid loss result in oliguria, weak or absent pulses, shrunken eyes, shrunken fontanelles in infants, wrinkled skin, washerwoman, it is also called as a washerwoman's hand or legs, and somnolence and coma may be occur. Now, what is the epidemiology or history of pandemics? Cholera can occur by sporadic, limited outbreaks, endemics, epidemics and pandemic. Till 19th century, confined to its homeland, that is West Bengal and Bangladesh, 1817 to 1923, 6 pandemics orienting from Bengal's classical Vibrio, and in 1923 to 1961 restricted to its homelands. Then 1961 to 7th pandemics differed from previous pandemics. Only pandemic that originated outside the India from caused by elder type of biotypes, milder cholera with more carrier rates and rapid spread of elder involving the entire global including some unusual parts. O139 Bengal strain isolated from Chennai in 1992 India. It is not agglutinated by any of the antisera available at that time. O1 to O138. Bengal strain spread rapidly along the coastal region of Bay of Bengal. Derivatives of O1 elder differ in having a resting lipopolysaccharide and capsulated. It was an invasive, caused bacteremia and extraintestinal manifestations. No cross protection between O1 and O139. By 1994, O1 elder replaced by O139. Current situation in world. Cholera is notifiable disease, often underreported. Majority of cases are due to the O1 elder. Situation has greatly changed. West Bengal is no longer the homeland. All states affected, both morbidity and mortality have greatly reduced. National Institute of Cholera and Enteric Disease in Kolkata, National Reference Center for Cholera in India. Epidemiological determinants reservoir are the only human are the reservoir. Source asymptomatic case or carriers. Carriers, various type of carriers. Incubatory carriers, that is less common as cholera has a short incubation period. Convalescent carrier, that is 2 to 3 weeks after recovery. Contact or healthy carrier, infection from subclinical cases, that is shared bacillary for less than 10 days. Chronic carriers, elder has more carrier rate than classical. Cholera season, higher temperatures, heavy rainfall and flooding. Factors promoting transmission: poor sanitation, poverty, overcrowding, population mobility. Determine the severity of disease, that is lack of pre-existing immunity. Blood groups: O1 greater risk, AB least risk. Malnutrition, people with low immunity. Age during epidemics, children. Habitat, it is a seawater and barkies. Persistence of Vibrio cholerae epidemics maintained by carrier and subclinical cases. Interepidemic period maintenance in seawater. Resistance, acid labile but stable to alkali. Heat labile but stable to refrigeration. Easily killed by drying and sunshine disinfectants. Biotype alter more resistant than classical. Lab diagnosis: specimen is freshly collected water stool. In cases, rectal swab in convalescent patients or carrier. Transport or holding media, that is VR media, Venkan-Praman, Ramkrishnan medium. Crude sea salt, peptone water contained pH 8.6 to 8.8. Alkaline salt transport media contained VR media plus boric acid, NaOH, KCl, pH is 9.2. Then carry blend media, buffered solution of sodium chloride, sodium thioglycolate, disodium phosphate and calcium chloride, pH is 8.4. Autoclave seawater. Then direct microscopy, as in figure shows, gram staining of mucus plaques of feces. Bacteria seen like a short curved comma shaped gram-negative roads arranged in a parallel rows, fish in stream appearance, lab diagnosis, motility testing, hanging drops, darting motility, shooting star swarming net motility. Motility testing after adding H antisera, that is Vibrio cholerae, becomes non-motile when a drop of the water stool specimen is added with flagellar antiserum. Nutrient agar, translucent colonies, peptone water, uniform turbidity with surface pellicle, strongly aerobic, blood agar, as in figure shows, hemodigestion occurs, temperature 37 degrees centigrade, pH 8.2, NaCl 0.5 to 1% stimulate growth. Culture media is enrichment broth, incubated for 4 to 6 hours, subculture on selective media. Then alkaline peptone water contains peptone NaCl in distilled water, that is pH 8.6. Monsoon staurocolate telluride peptone water pH 9. Both can also be used as a transport media. Selective media alkaline bile salt agar, monsoon gelatin taurocolate trypticase tollerate agar pH 8.6. Then McConkey agar, late lactose fermentation, mildly selective, also support Shigella and Salmonella. Culture media, other TCBS agars as in figure show green in color, pH 8.6, yellow colored colony will be developed. Biochemical test, catalase oxidase test, indole test positive, citrate test, variable urease test negative, triple sugar ion test, that is acid by acid, gas absent, H2S absent. MR test positive, VP is positive for alter, negative for classical. Nitrate reduction test is positive, Colorado reaction positive, sugar fermentation, ferments glucose, sucrose, mannitol with production of acid but no gas. String test as in figure shows, colonies mixed 5% sodium deoxycholate on a slide, and sting will be appear if we kept mixed solution in a slide, and it will kept all by this loop. Salt tolerance test to differentiate from halophilic vibrios and biotyping. Decarboxylate test. Vibrio utilize lysine ornithine, Aromonas utilize only arginine, Plasmonas utilize all. Susceptible to O1/129. Vibrio static agent. Vibrio species are susceptible to 10 microgram of O1/129 plus, while Aromonas and Plasmonas are resistant. Serotyping, Ogawa antisera, Inaba antisera, Ogawa antisera positive, Inaba antisera positive, then Hikozima, Ogawa and Inaba both are positive. Serogrouping is species identification confirmed by agglutination with Vibrio cholera polyvalent O antisera, then using group specific antisera. First the colony is tested with O1 antisera. If found negative, then tested with O139 antisera. Treatment fluid replacement, most important. Mild to moderate fluid loss, ORS. Severe cases, Ringer's lactate solutions, then ORS or normal saline. Antibiotic have a minor role, and drug of choice is macrolides. Alternative, doxycycline, tetracycline or ciprofloxacin. General measures of preventions: safe water, sanitary disposal of feces, proper food sanitations, prompt outbreak investigation, step to reduce transmission, notifications, health education, chemoprophylaxis. Chemoprophylaxis, tetracycline, household contacts only during epidemics. Preventions: oral vaccines, killed whole cell vaccines, and whole cell recombinant B subunit cholera vaccines. Schedule is dose at 7 days gap, greater than 2 years. Protection is short-lived. Children are better protected. Used during epidemics and outbreaks, but not during inter-epidemic period. Oral live attenuated vaccine under trial. Then Vibrio cholerae O1, O139. CVD 103 HGR vaccine is also available. Then other are non-O1, O139 Vibrio cholerae biochemically resembles Vibrio cholera but agglutinated with O1 or O139. Antisera cause gastroenteritis by seafood consumption. Stool watery, partly formed or bloody or mucoid. Abdominal cramps, nausea, vomiting and fever. Never cause epidemic cholera. Treatment is same as cholera. Extraintestinal manifestations are otitis media, wound infections and bacteremia. Occupational or recreational exposure to seawater, and treatment is tetracycline, ciprofloxacin and other third generation cephalosporins. Now halophilic vibrio. We will continue to halophilic vibrios. Can withstand higher cell concentration, that is greater than 6%, in contrast to Vibrio cholerae, which can tolerate up to 6%. Widespread in marine environment, cases tends to occur during late summer and early rainfall when the bacterial counts are highest in the water. Parahemolyticus, clinical manifestations. Foodborne gastroenteritis, it is the most common presentation following injection of raw or uncooked seafood. Watery diarrhea, rarely. Extraintestinal are rare manifestations like otitis and sepsis. Pathogenesis. Virulence factors are polysaccharide capsules, hemolysins, urease enzyme secretion system in cell wall. They directly inject toxin bacterial proteins into the host cells. Serotypes. Most infections are caused due to the serotypes of O3 is to K6, O4 is to K68, O1 is to K untypable. Lab D is the similar to that of Vibrio cholerae. Some differences are morphology capsulated, bipolar staining in freshly isolated, pleomorphism in older culture, motile by Peritrichus flagella, TCBS culture media, it will give green color colonies, sucrose fermentation, sucrose non-fermenters. Kanagawa phenomena, beta hemolysis on Wagetsuma agar, swarming on blood agar, ureastasis positive in few strains, salt tolerance strains resist maximum of 8% NaCl. Treatment, mostly self-limiting, same as cholera. Indications for antibiotic use. In severe gastroenteritis and extraintestinal manifestation, it is associated with underlying disease such as diabetes, pre-exciting liver disease, iron overload state or immunosuppressions. Vibrio vulnificus, rare but most severe infections. Manifestations are primary sepsis, underlying liver disease, iron overload or rarely in renal insufficiency, primary wound infections, painful erythematous swelling or cellulitis, or even vesicular, bullous or necrotic lesions generally affect people without underlying disease. Lab D blood culture, biochemical reaction, ferments, lactose, arginine is not dehydrolyzed. Treatment, early antibiotic institution like tetracycline, chloroquine, third generation cephalosporins, wound abridgment and general supportive care. Then Vibrio alginolyticus, occasionally used, cause eye, ear and wound infections. Rarely otitis externa, otitis media and conjunctivitis have been reported. Bacteremia in immunosuppressed, immunocompromised host. Most salt tolerant, that is greater than 10%, usually self-limiting. Severe infections give tetracycline and drainage. Aeromonas, earlier placed in the family Vibriocini, now assigned to separate family, that is Aeromonaceae. Pathogenesis by tissue adherence mediated by adhesions such as layer and fimbria. Capsular polysaccharide exotoxins, aerolysine, phospholipase, hemolysins, enterotoxins and cytotoxins similar to cigar toxins. Endotoxins or lipopolysaccharide. Manifestations, greater than 85% of human infection, Coxiella, A. cavi and A. veronii. It causes gastroenteritis and peritonitis, musculoskeletal and wound infections, bacteremia in immunocompromised patient, respiratory tract infections and hemolytic uremic syndromes similar to cigar toxin. Lab D motile with single polar flagella on Mekong-Ki agar gives non-lactose fermenting colonies, oxidase catalyst positive. Decarboxylase test utilize only arginine. Growth is not stimulated by NaCl. Genotypic classifications and treatments are ciproflox, levoflox. Alternatives are cotrimoxazole and cefepime. Now, second topic, that is Campylobacter. It is curved gram-negative rods, motile, non-sporing, microaerophilic, cause both diarrhea and systemic diseases. Primarily diarrhea cause disease by C. jejuni 80%, 80 to 90%. Others are C. coli, Opsalensis and Larry. C. fetus, hyointestinalis. Extraintestinal infection and C. fetus. Epidemiology source is zoonotics found in intestine of poultry, cattle, sheep, swine and household pets. Mode of transmissions, raw or undercooked food products, poultry, most common raw milk or untreated water. Direct contact with the infected household pets. Ages, all ages. C. jejuni common among children and fetus, extreme of age. Developing countries, C. jejuni hyperendemic, most asymptomatic infections. Children less than 2 years, usually symptomatics. Developed countries, leading bacterial cause of diarrheal diseases. Seasonality peaks during the summer and early autumn. Pathogenesis, virulence factor, motility, single polar flagellum. Then adhesion to the host tissue. Toxin plays a minor role. Enterotoxins, heat labile similar to cholera toxins. Cytotoxin and proteinaceous capsule-like structure as layer expressed by C. fetus. Protections from complement-mediated killing and opsonizations. Clinical manifestations are intestinal infections, inflammatory diarrhea, abdominal pain and fever, self-limiting with relapse in the 5 to 10% of untreated cases. Extraintestinal infections are mainly due to C. fetus, mostly in immunocompromised host. Extreme of age. Common manifestations are bacteremia, sepsis, meningitis, vascular infections. In persons with HLA-B27 phenotypes, reactive arthritis and other rheumatological manifestations. Campylobacter triggers the pathogenesis of Guillain-Barré syndrome. Alpha chain disease, lymphoma of small intestinal mucosa associated lymphoid tissues. Lab D, direct microscopy gram staining count gram-negative bacilli, comma, S-shaped or spiral wing-shaped. Then, diagram microscopy, darting motility will be seen. Culture, sport media, carrier media, selective media, feces or rectal swab are plated onto the Skiros medium, Buzzler selective medium and Campi BAP medium. Cultural conditions, that is microaerophilic condition, 5% O2, 10% CO2 and 85% nitrogen, growth at 42 degrees centigrade, thermophilics. See Jejuni, Kohli and Larry, non-thermophilic fetus, effused droplet-like colonies. Biochemical identifications, oxide is positive, catalyst positive. Nitrate is reduced to nitrites and do not ferment sugar. C. jejuni has two subspecies, jejuni and doyley. Jejuni is identified by nitrate positive, hapurate hydrolysis positive, growth at 42 degrees centigrade. C. abscillensis is catalyst negative. C. hyointestinale is H+ positive. Treatment, fluid and electrolyte replacement, antibiotics, then diarrheal diseases, oral macrolides, erythromycin and azithromycin, drug of choice, ciprofloxacin alternative for adults. In systemic infections, parenteral gentamicin should be started empirically. Correct antibiotic chosen based on susceptibility testing. Thank you.